2000 GMC Yukon 5.3. Customer complaint, she's not running right. Pretty clean, low miles. I'm not able to replicate the issue, but I do hear some interesting engine noise. Let's see if you can help me figure out what's going on. Every now and again, I get some weird stuff. This one is kind of weird and cool at the same time. What do you guys think? .3 LS with a supercharger. Couple extra injectors. Pretty clean install. I would say the noise that they're hearing is something to do with this. What do you guys think? Pretty cool though. Very cool actually.